Making a personal sigil can be a powerful way to manifest a specific intention or desire. It's a tool that can be used to amplify your intent. If you want to learn more about sigil magic or every major type of sigil out there, check out our videos here. In this video, let's take a look at how to make your own sigil and how to use it for the maximum effect. Before we begin, it's important to understand where personal sigil magic comes from. We can trace the use of sigils back to ancient times, where symbols and glyphs were used in various cultures for magical and religious purposes. In medieval Europe, sigils became associated with ceremonial magic, especially when it came to summoning angels or demons, as seen in grimoires like the Lesser Key of Solomon. These sigils were typically complex symbols, representing the names and attributes of spiritual entities. Today, while there are many types of sigils, the concept of personal sigils has grown. It's a big part of chaos magic and other occult traditions. So, how do you go about creating your own sigil? Creating a sigil is a creative and intuitive process that transforms your intention into a symbolic form, making it easier to work with on a subconscious level. Here's how to create your own personal sigil. The first step in creating a sigil is to define your intention clearly. Your intent should be concise and specific. For example, if you want to boost your confidence in public speaking, your intent might be, "I am confident in public speaking." This step ensures that your sigil will be focused and directed towards a particular goal. Next, condense your intent into a statement. Formulate a clear, positive, and present tense statement of intent. Avoid negative words and keep it straightforward. For instance, you could simplify the intent to, "I am confident." This helps to solidify your intention in a direct and affirmative way, making it more effective for the sigil creation process. The third step involves removing vowels and duplicate letters from your statement. This process simplifies your intent and helps create a unique, abstract representation of your goal. To begin, strip your statement of all vowels, A, E, I, O, U, and any repeated consonants. For example, if your statement is, "I am confident in public speaking," you would first remove the vowels, resulting in MCN, FDN, TNP, BLC, SP, KNG. Next, remove any duplicate consonants, leaving you with MCN, FDTP, BLSKG. This condensed version of your statement forms the basis of your sigil design, providing a distinct and powerful symbol that captures your intent. Using the remaining letters, create a symbol. Combine and stylize them into a unique symbol. This can be done by overlapping, merging, and arranging the letters in any way that feels right to you. The goal is to create a design that does not resemble the original letters but holds the essence of your intent. Get as creative as you like. This part of the process is highly personal and intuitive, allowing you to connect deeply with your intention. Finally, simplify and refine the symbol. Refine your symbol by simplifying it into a more abstract and aesthetically pleasing form. The final sigil should be a cohesive design that resonates with you and is easy to visualize. The simplicity and elegance of the final design make it more powerful and easier to focus on during activation. Once you have created your sigil, it's important to activate it and charge it. This process infuses the sigil with your energy and intent, making it a potent tool for manifestation. To prepare for activation, find a quiet and comfortable space where you won't be disturbed. Gather any materials you might need, such as candles, incense, or crystals, to create a conducive environment. Creating a sacred space helps to enhance the focus and energy you bring to the activation process. Next, enter a meditative state. Relax and clear your mind through meditation or deep breathing exercises. Focus on your intention and visualize the desired outcome. This meditative state helps to align your subconscious mind with your conscious intent, making the charging process more effective. Charge the sigil by choosing a method that resonates most with you. There are various ways to do this. Visualization. Focus intensely on the sigil, pouring your intent and energy into it. As you concentrate, visualize the symbol glowing with power, radiating a vibrant light that symbolizes your intent. Picture your desire as already achieved, and imagine the sigil acting as a conduit to bring this reality into existence. Feel the emotions associated with your goal: joy, confidence, fulfillment, and channel these feelings into the sigil. The more vividly you can imagine the symbol glowing and your desire coming to life, the more powerful the sigil will become. Elemental methods. Use the elements to charge your sigil. Burn it, bury it in the earth, submerge it in water, or leave it in the wind to imbue it with elemental energy. Physical energy. Channel your physical energy into the sigil through activities like dancing or chanting. The goal is to reach a peak state of excitement or focus and then release that energy into the sigil. Once charged, it's crucial to release your attachment to the sigil and let it fade from your conscious mind. This act of detachment allows your subconscious to work on manifesting your intent without the interference of conscious doubts or fears. By trusting in the process and allowing yourself to let go, you empower the sigil's magic, paving the way for your desires to unfold naturally and effortlessly. After charging your sigil, you need to decide how to integrate it into your daily life to continue reinforcing its power. This ongoing engagement keeps the sigil's energy active and aligned with your intention. You can choose to display or hide your sigil depending on your preference. Displaying your sigil in a place where you'll see it often can reinforce its power, keeping your intention present in your mind. Alternatively, some practitioners believe that hiding the sigil helps in forgetting and releasing the intention, allowing the subconscious to work without conscious interference. Occasionally, you might feel the need to recharge your sigil. This can be done by revisiting the activation methods or simply by meditating on the symbol and reaffirming your intent. Periodic reinforcement ensures that the sigil remains potent and aligned with your goals. Pay attention to how your intention starts manifesting in your life. It might happen gradually or suddenly and in ways you might not expect. Trust in the process and remain open to opportunities. Observing the results can also provide insights into the effectiveness of your sigil practice and guide any adjustments you may need to make. The flexibility of personal sigil magic means that it can be customized to fit any belief system or personal preference. Whether used together with other magical practices or as a standalone technique, sigil magic continues to be a popular and powerful method for personal transformation and manifestation. Sigil magic can become a potent tool in your manifestation toolkit. But there are those who ask if personal sigils are effective. What does the science say about personal sigils? While sigil magic is rooted in esoteric traditions, its effectiveness can be explained through psychology and neuroscience. The main idea behind sigil magic is to harness the power of the subconscious mind, similar to techniques like affirmations and visualization in modern psychology. Studies show that the subconscious mind greatly influences behavior, and creating a sigil helps program the subconscious with specific goals. Visualization, a well-known psychological method, boosts commitment and motivation. Additionally, the placebo effect demonstrates how belief can lead to real outcomes. Believing in a sigil's power can increase confidence and optimism. What do you think? Are personal sigils really effective? Let us know in the comments below. If you found this video helpful, please subscribe to our channel. Give this video a thumbs up and hit the notification button so you never miss an update. Your support helps our channel to grow and allows us to create more content for you and other like-minded viewers. Thanks for watching.